Good morning, guys. Here's me and my lovely brother JBS Music, and we are headed to Nigerian Info, where we'll be discussing important issues about the financial market and also my upcoming event on the 18th of February in Lagos. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it. Peace out.
Greatness is all I see. There is nothing you cannot do, and it now all over by your
guest with me, a beautiful guest, I would say, in the studio with me as well today, Thursday, the 9th of the month of February 2023. Good morning to you, Dr. Williams.
Good morning, good morning.
Okay, we need to hear that. Good morning to you again.
Good morning, good morning. Nice for having me here.
Good to have you. He is CEO Probaba EA Consult, which is a Forex Academy where they train students on Forex.
Yeah.
Good to have you in the studio.
Thank you very much.
All right, so let's get to know more about Probaba EA Consult. And we all know, I mean, from what we have here, that's a Forex company, but what more do we need to know about it?
All right, probably EA Consult is all about education. Trying to educate people about the Forex market because there has been a lot of misconception about the Forex market. So probably EA Consult has an online academy, which is probabafx Academy, and also sells trading robots because a lot of people might not have the time to trade because trading requires attention. So the robot helps you trade, open up trades for you, closes your trades for you while you go about other jobs. Yeah, that's basically what Probaba EA Consult is all about.
All right, when you say misconceptions about Forex, what do you mean, or what are these misconceptions?
A lot of people think you can't make money off Forex due to they have lost a whole lot, you get? And I think there are two factors to that. One is education. Most of the people don't know much about it and they just went into it. That's why I do say you invest from a point of knowledge. Like you have to know well about what you're putting your funds into before you get your funds involved. Then secondly, greed. That's when you are now a trader, when you start trading and start making money. That is when you're not satisfied. Probably you have a target and you make your target, you still want to make more. At the cost of that, you lose what you've made and lose your capital too. So that's major challenges I think a lot of traders out there face.
And I think the most important one for me is that gaining knowledge before you go into the Forex.
Very
because that would guide. All right, just like you said, it's about making money, you know, and of course, anything that comes with making money has its ups and downs, loses and loss rather, and profits as well.
That's true.
So what would you say are the challenges, you know, associated with the Forex trading, for example?
I think funding. A lot of people don't have the funds, and there's this misconception too that you have to have a lot of money before you start trading. You get?
Is that true?
That's not true.
Okay.
Then I myself, I fund my account as low as $20, $30, $50, and I could trade that for like a week or two and make it up to a $200 and make it up to a $150. So it doesn't necessarily mean you would have all the money before a lot of money before you start trading. So that's not true. You can start from somewhere. But what probabafx Academy is all about is we give that information, like we let you know you can even start trading without putting in any money. That's what we call a demo account. The demo account is for you to practice and know how to open trade, close trade, the right time to exit the market and to get into the market. When you now acquire the skills, you can now open a real account and start trading.
Okay, so how long is probabafx Academy?
probabafx Academy is about 2 years now online.
Online.
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about some of the things that the one who's wanting to go into this business needs to know to excel in forex trading. I know knowledge is number one, which I took from your earlier statement. But what other things you think they need
patience,
to know?
patience, very important. Okay. Yeah, and discipline, patience and discipline. Those two are basic factors. Sometimes you need to really wait. You might be in loss, but the market is definitely going to reverse and come your way. So if you are patient enough, you'll be in profit very soon.
Okay. All right. So you have an event coming up in Port Harcourt. Can you tell us about that?
No, not in Port Harcourt, in Lagos.
In Lagos?
Yeah,
okay, great. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's the probabafx Summit 1.0.
Okay.
It's the first edition of that event. Yeah, where we'll be practically teaching and also sharing knowledge and experiences about the forex market. Okay. It's on the 18th of February, which is I think a week or so, a week and some days from now, at Radisson Blue Hotel
in Lagos.
In Lagos, Ikeja.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how can people attend?
Yeah, you visit me. You check me out on my Instagram. On my Instagram bio, you see the link there. You register. Yeah, okay. You have to register for you to come to the event. It's a free event, but you have to register. So you hit the link on my bio at probabafx on Instagram.
Okay, you may have to spell that.
probabafx.
Okay, on Instagram.
On Instagram.
So the link
is on my bio.
Is on your bio.
Yeah.
So that we help them to get more.
Get registered. And get more information about the event.
Okay. Are there other? Do you have like a phone number they can call?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then on all the informations are on the link in my bio.
Including the phone number.
Including the phone number.
Okay, so let's talk about your book launch. I know you told me off air about a book launch.
Yeah,
let's talk about that.
Oh, yeah, because of the rate of awareness I'm trying to create about the forex market, I decided to put all my experience in a book.
Wow.
Yeah, titled Becoming a Profitable Trader.
Okay.
So in that book, a pro or a learner or a beginner can pick up that book and have a whole lot of knowledge about forex. You get, before getting into forex, if you read that book, you would have a proper understanding what forex is all about. All my personal challenges are written there. All my experiences are written there. It took me a couple of months to put up that book, and I'll be dropping it on Saturday, which is 10th.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be dropping, and you get it on my Instagram page too.
Okay. Yeah. So the training, your book, everything, they would have to get it on your Instagram. On my
Instagram page.
Okay, so the Instagram again is at probabafx.
And if you can reach out the Instagram page, you can visit the official website.
Okay.
probabafx.net.
All right.
You get every information you want to get.
Okay, probabafx.net. .net.
Yeah.
Let me take you back to the events in Lagos.
Okay.
You said people would have to go to your Instagram page. The link is in the bio for them to register.
Yeah.
So once they're done with the registration, are there any other requirements they would be?
Yeah. I'll be giving away $1,000 at the event.
Okay.
Yeah. So what it takes to get the $1,000 is also there.
Okay. So you said this is the first edition.
Yeah.
So who are you expecting to see?
I'll be having some of my friends that are traders. I'll also be having a friend called Rugged Pastor. He will also be there to spice it up with some comedy. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm talking about people who you're looking forward to attending.
Yes. Traders and non-traders. People that are aspiring to start trading and people that have started trading. They both.
All right. Do they also require any basic knowledge about the forex business before coming?
Not really, because we're going to start from the basics. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to be briefing them too.
All right. So if there is one thing, the one who will be attending should come with, I mean, in terms of expectation, what would that be?
Okay, you just come with your writing materials and your phone. And probably if you have a laptop, you can come as well with it.
Okay, so at the end of the training, what should they be expecting?
I'll be giving away my trading robot.
Okay.
that day. So there might be a few lucky people to get the trading robots, and probably the knowledge too. They're gonna have it, and networking to meet up some other forex traders there that have experience.
All right. So at the end of it all, they should be able to gain the knowledge that will help them navigate
Yeah,
the forex
yeah.
market. All right. Let's get the details again. That's the Instagram page, since that's where everybody would need to go to now.
probabafx on Instagram. probabafx.
Okay. Your website.
Yeah. The website probabafx.net.
Okay.
probabafx.net.
That's for the website.
Yeah.
On IG is at probabafx.
FX.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for your time, and
right.
Congratulations on your book. I mean,
Thank
not
you very
every
much.
forex trader will get to see put together the experience in a book just to teach others as well. So I think that's a great one you're doing. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck on the event.
Thank you.
Probabafx shop for you.
Isha.